Hello crafty friends! Are you ready for the Altenew February Inspiration Challenge? This time I hosted the challenge and used one of my photos for the inspiration. I found that this flowers pattern from the Pastel Dreams paper pad fits the color palette perfectly, so my further actions was only to highlight it in my cards. Using both positive and negative die cuts allows me to make 2 cards at a time. For the first card, I fuzzy cut the flowers with my scissors. I always cut a little piece from the sheet, so it's more comfortable to cut teeny images. Also, you can see that I move paper, not scissors. Now I will create a composition with flowers and heart and will add a sentiment. If I will use the sentiment as it is, flower composition will cover the end, so I decided to split it into pieces and stamp it into rows. I use jet black crisp dyeing for the stamping. This sentiment is pretty big, so you can control inking only 1/2 of it. Anyway, you can always use a baby wipe to remove the excess of ink from the stamp. To adhere the heart, I use foam adhesive and will use liquid glue for the flowers. The second card is even easier. First, I adhered pattern paper, then the card panel with the heart window and did a sentiment stamping. Now it's time to add a few accents. I'm using my black liner pen to draw stitches around the hearts on both cards. I remember when I started card making, it was such a trend from Christina Werner. Since that time we have a lot of stitch dies, but this technique is still my favorite. Finally, I'm adding some silver stickles on the flowers. Hope you enjoyed my video today. Don't forget to check Altenew YouTube channel for more ideas. Thanks for watching. Bye!